I've been building things pretty much my whole life. As a little kid, I loved making small cabins and tree forts and things like that. But for the last 3 years, I've been doing it more seriously and more consistently. The challenge was that you could only use one sheet of plywood and try to make something interesting. My initial idea was to make a simple coffee table, but I realized that I wanted to make something a bit more eye-catching. So I knew that I had seen a similar bookshelf on Instagram a couple of years ago with some loose parts that you could swing around. I thought it was really interesting, so I tried to find it. I couldn't find it, so I sat down with some cardboard and tape and just started making these boxes and just tinkering. Then suddenly, a light switched on and I had the idea of the transforming bookshelf. Once I had the idea, I just sat down with a piece of paper and drew some lines to figure out how I could get the most out of this one sheet. So I knew that I needed 37 pieces, so it was really just about figuring out how can I get those pieces as big as possible. I wanted the concept or the idea of this bookshelf, swinging motion, the transformation, to be the star really of this bookshelf. So I decided to make the boxes and the joinery as simple as possible to not take any attention away from the transformation. I love to take on different projects and I love to be creative and challenge myself. So once I have built a project, I'm kind of done with it. I learn from the mistakes and then I move on to the next project. Being an introvert, I love that I can work by myself. There is no obligations, no pressure from boss or a teacher, no meetings. I can do things in my pace and do things my way and kind of let the finished piece speak for itself.